long time no see. It is October 1st, 2024, and this is the beginning of my vacation. I got a couple weeks off, and one of the main things I'm doing during vacation is something called the Mammoth Hike Challenge. This is put on by the Ice Age Trail Alliance here in the state of Wisconsin. The goal is to do at least 45 miles on the Ice Age Trail. So for those of you that don't know, the Ice Age Trail is a national trail in the state of Wisconsin. It is, I believe, over 1,000 miles long. Oops, where's my light? And, okay, this is cool. And the goal this month is to do 45 miles hiking on this trail. Now, the trail spans the state. There are several gorgeous areas to cover, but I am here just outside of little Greenbush, Glenbeulah, Wisconsin, to get started on this portion of the trail. So it's October 1st. Colors are already starting to come here to the state. This part of the state, we're in east central Wisconsin, probably about 2-ish weeks out from full fall colors, but I think it's going to be a really gorgeous hike. So if you will come along with me, I will show you some gorgeous fall colors, some great nature, hopefully, and I think we're just gonna have a fun time. Ooh, and another thing, I am actually trying out some new gear, some new hiking boots. These are from Hoka Oneones. These are the Kaha 2. This really cool desert red color. I love it. So let's give these a shot. All right, so let's talk about the Ice Age Trail. So this is the Ice Age National Scenic Trail. This is the Atlas. This is, in my opinion, a must purchase if you're ever gonna hike the trail. This is what the trail looks like across the state of Wisconsin. So the eastern terminus is up near Sturgeon Bay in Door County, and then all the way over in Polk County on the other side of the state, it ends in Hudson, the western terminus. So there are all these great maps in the Atlas, but I'm specifically looking at this map here. So we are on map 89. This is the Glenbeulah segment that I'm going to be working off of here. So we'll take a look at another map on the trailhead, but this is what it looks like. All right, so as promised, this is our big board. We are all the way up here near Glenbeulah. We are gonna head down the trail here, see how far we can get, maybe even try to get over to Greenbush and on our way back. So, that being the case, let's grab a trail pole and let's get hiking. Okay, using the Ice Age Trail, one thing to remember is that you'll always know you're on the trail when you see these yellow markers. These yellow markers will guide you throughout the entire Ice Age Trail. Okay, so I made it to the halfway mark in my hike for today. I made about 3.3 miles all the way out there to the next segment of the Ice Age Trail. I figured that was a good place to turn around and head on back to the car. So today, we're figuring about 6.5, 6.75 miles. A little bit out of breath, but feeling pretty good. And it was such a gorgeous day for doing it. So I'll meet you back at the car. We are almost at the end here. I can see it. I can see it. We're getting close. Well, we got it done. 6.6 miles in a little over 2.5 hours. As you saw, really hilly terrain, but man, fall is just busting out all over here. That was the first 6-ish miles of the Mammoth Hiking Challenge. So follow along and I'll keep on showing you more awesome parts of the Ice Age Trail. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna enjoy my Cheetos and apple as a reward. See you in the next video. I love Cheetos. I feel like a 6-year-old.